Setting up an Amazon brand store might seem like more hassle than it's worth, but if you could set up a simple Amazon Ads brand store and it generates you an additional 150 plus orders per month for free, would it be worth setting one up? So if you've been put off building an Amazon brand store, then I hear you. We've all had our fair share of frustrations with website builders, and it's easy to assume that the Amazon Ads dashboard builder is going to be no different. That's why, even if you're a complete beginner, in this video I'm going to take you through a quick tutorial of how to set up your very own Amazon Ads brand store in a couple of minutes, so you can start showcasing your product with some decent visuals, and after today start generating more sales for your brand on Amazon. So first, click create store. You're then going to name the store, so I'm going to call it Brad's Adventure Equipment. It's then going to ask you to upload a logo. You can see my lovely logo there. You can then add tags, so these are going to be relevant to what you're selling. Hit standard, hit next. This then generates you a basic store. So this is where you can put a meta description of what your store's about. I'll just do something quick for now. Backpack store. You can then select a template. So in this instance, I'm just going to select a blank template, but when you create your own store, feel free to check these out. Amazon Ads has lots of good templates to choose from. Hit create page. Here's the home page. We're then going to add a header. Tells you what size header you need to have. So here's my header. Along the left hand side you have pages, so you can add a page for each of your product categories. For instance, backpacks might be one if you're selling a backpack store, and that's how it appears. On the right hand side you have page sections. This is where you can add different types of features onto the store page, so videos, product selector, split section, text, image with text. The simplest way is add product. You can then just copy your ASIN and drop this in, and Amazon's going to pre-create a page for you just like so. You can then add a new image. So this could be like our header image. Amazon allows you to crop this, and you could also see what it looks like on mobile. For every image that you upload, also want to add a link. So the best thing to do is to link it to the product which the image is related to. So essentially your bestseller, or if you're adding a lifestyle image and you're showing a certain product, add that ASIN to the image. That means when the store page is live and a customer clicks on here, it's going to take them directly to that page. Super simple to use. You can then just drag and drop these up and down the page to change the orientation. You can add stuff like a split screen where you can have a link to each certain category, for instance. So we might be selling backpacks, we might be selling satchels. So for the backpack image, we can actually click the store page backpacks. That means when a customer clicks on that image, it's going to take them to a new page of a backpack. And that's essentially how you create buttons within the setup. So I'll do the same for satchels. Just have to create a satchels page like so. Add page, satchels, blank. You can then have the main product, the satchel product on the page. So when a customer clicks satchels, it goes to our satchels. When they click backpacks, it goes to our backpacks. Once we're happy with how the store looks, you can hit preview live, so you can see adventure equipment, Brad's Adventure Equipment, explore more, discover more. We've got our home page, big lifestyle image, backpacks, satchels, one of our products. If I click backpacks, it takes me to the backpack page. Click satchels, takes me to the satchels page, home, and we're back to home. If you then click this, it takes you straight to the product listing page. And once you've got a good store set up, you can start running ads directly to this store page. And that's about it. Once you're happy with the store, just hit submit for publishing. Amazon's then going to review the store, come back to you with any issues or any changes that you need to make, and then your store can be live. And there you have it. Within a couple of minutes, we've set up a simple Amazon Ads brand store that showcases our products all in one place, so a customer can see everything we've got without being bombarded with competitor ads. Now you've got the basic store, you can come back over time and update this, adding in new pages, your brand mission, new visuals, new products, etc., etc. Amazon Ads also provides you key insights just like your website, so you can see which pages generate the most traffic and the most sales. It also gives you an overall rating for the store. So as you can see, you can build a simple Amazon store in minutes and over time produce something that looks seriously impressive, even with limited technical expertise. So don't sleep on this. If you're already selling multiple branded products on Amazon, you're running ads, and you don't yet have a brand store set up, you're missing sales, my friend. So use this tutorial to get started, and if you need any additional help, just drop me a message. I run Optimize E-commerce, which is an Amazon agency. We can take care of absolutely everything for you, or we can guide you on the right path to more sales and more profitability. Follow for more.